No matter what your generation does, you're going to make history. If you stand up, you make history. If you sit down, you make history. If you lie down in the streets, you make history. The question is, what kind of history do you want to make? The kind of history that I think that you should be making as a generation is this. You should be the generation that saw through all the smoke screens, all the nonsense, all the food fight politics on television, and stood up for some principles. The American dream, which worked for me, it worked for my parents, it should not be thrown under the bus for your generation. Your generation deserves to be able to go to college affordably and get out here and create some jobs for some people. You shouldn't be sunk under a mountain of student debt. You can do something about that if you come to the conference and come up with a strategy. Your generation should be able to buy a house or a condo or something. You shouldn't be living on your mama's couch next year or the year after. You can come together and strategize to do something about that if you come to the conference. Your generation should be able to get something called a job. Not an internship, a job. You can get that for you and for millions of other young people if you come to the conference. If you don't come to the conference and you're trying to tweet your way to some better society, you're missing. Okay? If you don't come to the conference and you think you're just going to be able to blog your way to some better reality, you're missing. You've got to get together face to face, offline and online, but this is the big offline, in person, real people, eyeball to eyeball, smelling each other, trying to come up with stuff, opportunity. So please, do yourselves a favor so you can do your generation a favor, so your generation can do America a favor, and register for the Campus Progress National Conference. We need you to sign up. Don't talk about it. Do it. Sign it right now so we can see you in July. Thank you.